Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. My name is 𝐓𝐡𝐚𝐧𝐤 𝐘𝐨𝐿. If you're new here or you're just seeing my video for the first time, welcome. To my OGs, you guys are awesome. Thank you so much for your love and support. My returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in to watch the video. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you all. So today's video is a very simple hairstyle that you can achieve yourself. All you need is your hair, the hair of your choice, and then your bobby pins and also your edge control. I think that's all what you need to make this hairstyle. It's a very simple and quick one, like I said earlier. So I'm going to be sharing with you how I achieved it. So the first thing you want to do, or the first thing I did here, was to section my hair into two parts, which you guys are seeing. I'm going to be sectioning it in two parts. That's a straight lines from my left ear to the other right ear. So that's the line I'm going to be creating, and that's what I'm doing here. So but because I'm the one doing it myself, and to make it easy, I like to start from the middle. So after getting that, I'll go ahead and put the back side into a ponytail and take out the twist I did in front and comb them out. So here is me trying to close the lines I did first. So after doing that, I'll just go ahead and start sectioning the hair the sizes I want. So I'm going to be creating a line, like a straight line, like the way you see me doing. After doing that, I'll add my edge control. I'm going to use this small rubber band to tie it. So here is me repeating the same thing I did on the first one. I'm going to be doing the same to this one. I'll just section the size I want, go ahead and put my edge control, and then use my rubber band to secure it. So at this point I'm done, and here is what the hair is looking like. So I'll go ahead and put all the hair together into a bund. So I discovered my hair was so dry and I couldn't comb it through, so I just decided to put some water. That water is a mixed one. I mixed it with clove and rosemary. So I'll go ahead and pack all the hair together and then secure it with the band. After securing it, I'm just going to braid the ends and then secure it also with the band, just to make sure it's looking neat. So I'm using this normal braiding extension for it, so you can go ahead and make use of anything you have at home. This is a very simple hairstyle, like I said, and to be honest with you, I was preparing to go to church this Sunday, so I decided to, the day I was making this hair was on Sunday, so I decided to like do something I don't want to take my natural hair like that, so I decided to do something simple, and this was what I was doing. In less than 10 to 15 minutes I was done. So yeah, so you can also achieve this yourself. So here is me, the braiding hair I'm going to be using. If you have two braiding hair, you should be fine for this hairstyle. So I'm just going to be securing them, taking the hair round just to close my natural hair, and then securing it with a pin. That's what I'm going to be doing here. So if you've watched up to this time and you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Yes, the red button. Just go ahead and click on it, and also turn on your bell notification so you don't miss any time I upload a new video. I hope you guys are enjoying the video, and also don't forget to like this video. Guys, when you watch, please go ahead and hit the like button, and also drop a comment at the comment section so YouTube can recommend the videos. I'm going to be reminding you on the screen, so when you see it, please go ahead and consider hitting the like button, subscribe and comment. Yes, so guys, like I said, I'll just keep adding the bobby pins to secure it with my natural hair. Anywhere I see that it's kind of swollen, I'll go ahead and use my bobby pin to pin it down to make it look calm and level. So this is what I'm trying to do. So at this point, I think I'm done. What I'm doing now is to just take my scissors and trim out the excess hair. So after applying my mousse, I'll go ahead and use my shining spray to spray the hair just to give it this shiny look. After spraying, I'll use my edge control to lay down my edges. After laying down my edges, to make sure the lines are popping out or showing nicely, I will just use my foundation on that line where my normal hairline is. So I'm just going to be adding my foundation to make the lines pop out. So this is the color of foundation I use. I'm just going to put it on my scalp. So here is what the hair is looking like. When I see that the foundation is kind of too obvious, I'll go ahead and dab it in with my brush. So here is what the hair is looking like. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and share.